Hey WooCommerce store owners! Big news from YayMail. We've just rolled out a powerful new feature, Conditional Logic Class, for your email templates. Now, what does that mean for you? It means you can personalize your WooCommerce emails even more by showing or hiding your specific design blocks based on order conditions. One of the most exciting use cases? Displays the element only if the customer's role matches the selected role. Imagine this. You run a WooCommerce store with both wholesale customers and regular shoppers. With conditional logic, you can show a block that says, "Thank you, wholesale partner. Don't forget, you get exclusive bulk discounts on your next order." And for your regular customers, that block simply won't appear. Now, let's jump into how to set it up. First, make sure your WordPress site has activated YayMail Conditional Logic add-on, and Code Snippets. Then, you have to create and register a new Conditional Logic class for the customer role. Open the Code Snippets. YayMail provides 2 PHP codes to create a new conditional logic. Save and activate this snippet. Okay, now check it. In your YayMail dashboard, edit the email template you want to customize. For this example, we'll edit the order completed email. We have the text block here. I'm going to configure the conditional logic with a new logic, customer role. That means, thanks to your new logic class, that coupon only shows up for that customer role. Everyone else? They don't see it. Yay! With YayMail's new conditional logic class, your WooCommerce emails finally adapt to the exact role of your customer. Smarter emails, happier customers, more sales. Update YayMail, try out conditional logic today, and start turning ordinary emails into powerful conversion tools.